Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a fascinating paper. An algorithm for affordable vision-based GNSS denied strap-down celestial navigation. It's all about using the stars for drone navigation, even without GPS. Exciting, right?
Absolutely. GNSS denial is a huge concern, especially for drones operating in remote or contested areas. So, how does this algorithm work? Is it really affordable?
That's the beauty of it. It uses a strap-down system, meaning no expensive gimbals or complex stabilization mechanisms, just a camera and a relatively inexpensive attitude and heading reference system, AHRS. The key is a clever orbital maneuver.
An orbital maneuver? Explain.
The drone flies in a circle, a full 360-degree rotation. Because of potential misalignments between the camera and the AHRS, each position estimate during the orbit will be slightly off, but by averaging all those estimates, the errors cancel out, giving a surprisingly accurate final position. Think of it like averaging out noise.
I see. Interesting. So it's not about pinpoint accuracy, but rather getting a reasonable estimate in a challenging environment. What kind of accuracy are we talking about?
They achieve position estimates within 4 kilometers. Considering the limitations, that's pretty impressive. And remember, this is global positioning, not just relative to a starting point.
4 kilometers is a decent margin of error, but still useful for many applications. What about the computational burden? Does it require a super powerful computer on board?
Nope. They used a Raspberry Pi 5, which is quite affordable and readily available. The algorithm is designed to be computationally efficient, making it suitable for resource-constrained drones.
That's remarkable. But, what about the initial alignment? If the camera is wildly misaligned with the AHRS, wouldn't that throw everything off?
Good point. They address that too. The algorithm is surprisingly robust to initial misalignments. As long as the initial bore sight is within 90 degrees of the true bore sight, the algorithm converges to the correct position. They even tested this with various initial misalignments.
So even with a rough initial alignment, the orbital maneuver helps correct for the errors? That's a really elegant solution.
Exactly. It's a clever way to leverage the inherent redundancy of multiple observations to overcome the limitations of low-cost hardware. And they even tested it in real flight conditions, not just simulations.
What about weather conditions? Would clouds or heavy wind affect the accuracy?
That's a valid concern. Sky visibility is obviously a limitation. You need a clear view of the stars. They did address wind effects in their simulations, showing that maintaining a constant attitude during the orbit is more effective than trying to maintain a fixed ground track in windy conditions. The wind caused some drift, but the overall accuracy remains surprisingly good.
So it's not perfect, but it's a significant step forward in providing a robust, low-cost, and redundant navigation solution for drones in GNSS-denied environments. This could be a game-changer for many applications.
Absolutely. This research opens up exciting possibilities for autonomous drone operations in challenging environments. It's a testament to clever algorithm design and the power of simple, yet effective solutions. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into celestial navigation for drones. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.